In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up Hangup SMS feature on a platform, FlashRev. So Hangup SMS feature enables you to automatically leave a Hangup SMS after you call someone and the other person doesn't pick it up. So if you see the left side of the screen, if you go to a parallel dialer, if you see the left side of the screen, this shows settings of the parallel dialer. And if you scroll down a little bit, you see the Hangup SMS section. And in here, you can see this Alt Send SMS after hang up button. And if it's blue, it means it's on. And you can choose different templates to send out. For example, I choose demo one. And if you don't currently have one, you can click this setting icon and go to this template page, and you can add template from here. Going back to parallel dialer, this is on, and this is how you choose which message to send out. And if you actually start dialing, and if the other person doesn't pick it up, you can leave a message as you want. So in the session here, and if you see the history, you can see, So this is a test account from our organization. But if you see here, I called this Christopher person. If you click here, I left this message. It's in Japanese, but I left this message on SMS to him. So this is what you can do with Hangup SMS, and this is how you do it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.